Hey everyone! Today we've got an exciting unboxing lined up. We're diving into the DJI Ronin 4D 8K camera and pairing it with the DJI PZ 17 28mm t3.0 ASPH lens. Let's get into it. First, let's check out the DJI PZ 17 28mm lens. This lens is perfect for wide-angle shots and offers a constant t3.0 aperture for great low-light performance. Its power zoom feature provides smooth and precise zooming, a fantastic addition to any filmmaking setup. Now, let's unbox the DJI Ronin 4D 8K camera. The camera comes in a rugged hard case, and here's what's inside. Ronin 4D camera body with RS 4D gimbal, the main unit with a full-frame sensor and integrated 4-axis gimbal for steady shots. DJI 1TB SSD, high-capacity storage for recording 8K footage. 19820 mAh battery, for long-lasting power for extended shoots. 4D hand grips, ergonomic grips for better control and handling. DJI Ronin 4D LiDAR rangefinder, to enhance focus accuracy with precise distance measurements. Battery charging hub, and charging cables for different countries, ensuring you can charge up wherever you are. This complete package is designed to meet the demands of professional filmmakers. That's it for today's unboxing. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you next time for more gear reviews and filmmaking tips.